Hi, it's Teresa from Dodge Nature Center, and time for another Nature to Go. Well, when you head out onto the prairie, you're starting to notice peaks of color here and there. There's hoary puccoon, there's bastard toadflax, there's lupins, and then there's one of my favorites, spiderwort. Part of why I enjoy spiderwort as a plant is because it has a lot of names. Now, the name spiderwort itself comes because sometimes people think all of those long, thin leaves that are hanging down below the flowers, they sort of look like spider legs. This plant is also known as widow's tears. And that comes about because this flower that you're seeing only lasts for one day. And when it's done blooming, it sort of curdles up on itself and makes this jelly-like blob that people thought looked like tears. Okay, that's a second name for it. But my absolute favorite name for this plant is cow slobber. How it got the name cow slobber is that when the leaf gets broken, a mucousy-like substance comes out. It kind of looks like when you get slimed by a cow. Well, and that's where the other name, spiderwort, sometimes comes into play too, because when you pull on that mucus, you get these long, fine threads that will dry fairly stiff, sort of like a spider's web. So the stuff inside is like the spider web material. Prairie plants, they have some really interesting names. And whether you call this one the spiderwort or widow's tears or cow slobber, get out to the prairie and start looking for some of these different plants and learn about their names. Thanks for joining us for this episode of Nature to Go, and we'll talk to you again next time.